If you're wondering how to track revenue in Housecall Pro, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to leverage this feature to stay on top of your business finances and keep things organized. This is one of the most valuable aspects of Housecall Pro for service businesses, and it's a simple process once you know how to use it. By the end of this video, you'll be able to track every dollar and gain insights that help you run your business more effectively. First off, Housecall Pro is a great platform for service professionals who need to streamline their operations. It's not just for scheduling and managing jobs, but also for handling the financial side of things, including tracking revenue. When you log into Housecall Pro, you'll have access to a dashboard that gives you an overview of your daily, weekly, or monthly revenue. But to get the most out of this feature, you need to know where to look and how to filter your information. Once you're inside the software, head over to the Reports section. This is where you'll find the revenue tracking tools. In this section, you can filter your results based on different time periods, like daily, weekly, monthly, or even by specific date ranges. You can also segment the data by jobs, customers, or even technicians to get more specific insights into how different areas of your business are performing. One of the most helpful parts of tracking revenue in Housecall Pro is the ability to see your job invoices and payment statuses all in one place. You'll get real-time updates on which invoices are paid, which are overdue, and which are pending, helping you stay on top of cash flow. You can also integrate payment systems like QuickBooks and Stripe with Housecall Pro to sync your revenue data. This is especially helpful if you're using a separate accounting tool but still want to manage everything in one place. These integrations allow for automatic syncing of your transactions so you don't have to manually input anything. The software also lets you run detailed revenue reports. These reports help you analyze your overall business performance, tracking income from services, parts, and even tips. You can break it down by technician or job type, which is perfect for understanding how different team members or service offerings contribute to your total revenue. Another key feature is Housecall Pro's ability to track payments. Whether you're accepting credit cards, checks, or cash, the software helps you track exactly what's been paid and when. This is crucial for staying on top of your business and ensuring you're always paid on time. If you've got a recurring service, Housecall Pro can also track those types of payments. You can set up a subscription for services like maintenance calls or cleaning appointments, and the software will keep track of the recurring payments for you. I want to mention that you can try Housecall Pro for free through the first link below, and you'll get some exclusive bonuses as well. This is an incredible opportunity if you're just starting out or looking for a way to automate your revenue tracking and overall business management. Now, if you stay with me until the end of this video, you'll get a special bonus. We have an exclusive extended free trial of Housecall Pro just for you so you can dive in and try everything we've discussed today at no cost. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to track revenue in Housecall Pro, and you're ready to start using these features to optimize your business. So don't forget to click the link below to claim your exclusive free trial.